this video, we're going to walk through how to create a project in Slingshot using a template. So within any of your workspaces here, which is your high level, you can see marketing, product dev, ABM, and sales. If you come into the projects tab and click add project, you'll always be able to create a project from scratch. And then you'll also see the templates that are here for you that you've maybe either recently used or they're recommended for you based on your department that you selected during onboarding. To see all templates, you'll come here to the See All Templates tab, where we have all of our different templates broken down by your different departments here on the left-hand side. You can see all of the different templates that we have for marketing within here. And if you want to use maybe this PPC management template, you can see all of the different assets that you're going to get within your template by scrolling through. So you're going to get some dashboards, some areas for pins, some discussions, and some tasks. So I like this template. We'll click Use Template. You can give it a name for yourself and a description. You can also set the start date. So these will now cascade the dates based on the start date that you select for your project, and then we'll click Create. Your template is then pre-populated with your different tasks, discussions, pins, and dashboards for you out of the box. So you have a great starting point to now kick off your PPC management.